Hi everyone, what's up? And I know you might have already seen a lot of videos of Mi A1. Does it fast charge after Oreo update, or is it the same? Of course we will test that, but this is actually going to be a bit different. Now first, a real quick recapitulation. When it was running NuGet, I tried it with the box charge. I plugged it in at 5:58 and it completely charged at 9:48, so 1 hour 50 minutes. And I also tried it with the fast charger and I was shocked that there was no difference at all. The fast charger took the same time. So right now it's 1% and I'm gonna go ahead and charge it to 100 and let's see how much time it takes. And when it reduces back to 1%, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same with the fast charger. I did try to make this video as shorter as possible, so make sure you watch this till the very end. If it supports fast charging, pretty good. If it doesn't, I still want to say, is there any difference after the Oreo coming into play? So yeah, there's only one way to find out, and let's do it. So it's 1% right now, as you can see, 5:38. Let's quickly plug this charger. Here we go, and yes, 5:39, and we are almost, yes, plugged in. So yeah, we're plugged in, it's charging. I'm gonna be updating you every time it adds 25%. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so round 2, let's try with the fast charger. 1% and 6:58, we are plugged in. Wow, that was quick. %100% completed, guys, and let's first look at the numbers. Now remember, it took 1 hour 50 minutes when it was running on NuGet. Charger didn't really matter. But now, as you can see, normal charger took 27 minutes to charge 25%. Fast charger took 20 minutes to charge 50%. It took 51 minutes. Fast charger took 41 minutes to charge 75%. Normal charger took 1 hour 12 minutes. Fast charger took 1 hour 3 minutes to full charge the battery. Normal charger took 1 hour 48 minutes, whereas the fast charger took 1 hour 44 minutes. So just 4 minutes different to full charge the battery. But if you look at 25 and 50%, it was ahead by 7 minutes and then like 10 minutes. But to charge it from 75% to full, fast charger took a lot more time in comparison to normal charger. So fast charging, no, not at all. 1 hour 50 minutes, 1 hour 44 minutes, or 1 hour 48 minutes doesn't really matter. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, share, and yeah, like, subscribe, share, peace.